My gun's got humor. It's gonna laugh at your funeral. My gun got humor. It's gonna laugh at your funeral. Woof, woof, motherfucker, motherfucker, crook, motherfucker with luck, look, motherfucker, look. I'm a gangster, nigga, open ass book. Who the fuck won't think me, nigga, taking that second? I'm from the 9 while I keep my motherfucking Smith in the Western. I mean, I gotta keep it weapon, cause niggas out here, they reppin', but they ain't gonna tote that bitch, they gon' roll that bitch, they gon' smoke that shit, and they gon' act like it's cool, and it doesn't exist, nigga. I am not you, nigga, I do not bitch, nigga, I do not screw, nigga, I just screw in, and then I fuck screw you, nigga. Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck it is? It's fucking Wolfgang, you bitch. Now make your decision, either you fucking with me, or you straight the fuck against me. I'm from the 9, get it? You don't motherfucker get it? Here comes Nicholas, here comes Nikki, the bitches. I'm saying, get it, giggity. I mean, giggity bitches, you fucking with me, you ain't simply bitches. I'm from the city, where they gon' get rid of me, cause I ain't fucking feeling it, and they ain't fucking feeling me. I don't give a fuck, literally. I mean, I'm hood. Who the fuck can't stop me? I'm shook, but I'm not that blood type. I'm a crip nigga, crip side. Eating F-easy, be on the left side, left right, nigga, left right. 2 times, nigga, step wide, C-Y, nigga, C-Y, step 2, 3 more times, then I find, hit you like 4, 5 times with these fine, knuckles that I got, fuck you motherfuckers, new 9, hit these motherfuckers 20 times for that 9, 29 times for that nigga from that 9, keep it 29 years, and he live 29 lives, he ain't no bitch, no, ain't no pussy, ain't no fine, ain't no feline, he's a Wolfgang, I'm motherfucking smoke nigga, whatever. Talk shit, grab that, send me Beretta. Who the fuck you thinking they better? Wolfgang came with a sweater. Cold mind, cold blood, whatever. Hold my 9, nigga, I better keep it on my side, nigga, whatever. These niggas talking gangster shit, nigga, no better. But there ain't nothing coming this year, nigga, whatever. I'm cold-blooded, nigga, I'm still up in the weather. Like no jacket, I just cut for windbreakers. Fucking sweater, hell, these niggas cannot hate you, cause you got paper. I ain't trying to be no fucking hater, but at the same time, I'ma take you. I see you in your new car, nigga. Hey, can I get a ride? Then I rape ya. The fuck need a favor. I got the motherfucking papers. I need a motherfucking paper. I mean, it's cool, cold-blooded with the laser. The motherfucker ain't gonna miss ya. I won't grace ya. Motherfucking MF easy. I'm crazy. And if you don't like me, cool, but stay away from me. Stay away, cuz. Wolfgang thug. Wolfgang Nicholas. I'm still the same thug. You talking shit, I bang this bitch. I ain't aim on. I'm from the 9, motherfucker. I hate Raymond. Wait, hold up, smoke though. Came son, then I ain't, I bang son, what I think, I think son, it's time to smoke this thing, son, and get your fucking mind right and don't think nothing. I mean, fucking Wolfgang, who ain't one? I mean, I fucking could come with the can't come. I can't come if I fucking, look, bitch, ain't you my answer?